Hi, I'm Steve Petronak, and I'm a member of the board of directors for the organization called Clef. And I'm here today to share with you the idea of sometimes the music that we do for liturgy can use a refresh of sorts, a reimagining of how the song is that is played, and perhaps is there a different style or something we can do to the song to make it different but more appealing in its presentation. So there's a song that we did for many years. I'm sure you're all going to know this. That is "And They'll Know We Are Christians by Our Love," and we played it with the same Catholic strum that most people have played the song with. I'm sure you're going to recognize it. And that's the Catholic strum, that down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. And so that was the strum that we would use with it. And the song was never one of my favorite songs. In fact, over time, when that song was selected for liturgy, it became less and less of a favorite of mine. And so one time at rehearsal, I decided to really consider an alternative to the approach that we were using. Instead of the Catholic strum and using that, how else could this song be imagined? What could we do to the song to maybe create a different feel with it? And so sometimes some of the songs that we have done for many years can take on a whole new twist and a whole new meaning with a community, with just a different feel. So this is what I was able to come up with in reimagining "And They'll Know We Are Christians." What's amazing about this different approach is that the first time that we used it, I thought our community was going to explode because of the excitement that they felt with the new version. And that's not just our musical community, but the community at large, the assembly itself. Now when that song is used, there is more participation by the assembly on that piece than just about any other piece that we sing Sunday mornings. And it really is a testament to, if we allow ourselves to become creative with the music that we use, sometimes taking something that is of an older age musically and reimagining it, being creative with it, and finding a new approach to the song can actually turn a congregation's opinion of the song to a positive response and elicit a very strong response from the community.